Today we got a package from Teebeegames. Well, let's rip it and see what we got. Alright. Well, what I did was he does a thing on his channel where if he gets 25 comments, then whoever does the 25 gets the 25 comments, then whatever he rips on the channel, he gives those cards away. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description to Teebeegames because it's a very great channel. I really like it. So let's see what we got here. Paul, it's a hat, some kind of hat. Oh, these are all Pokemon. Well, yep. Awesome.
Take a pee.
Yeah, so let's see what old Pokemon things we want. Oh, this one's cool.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good one.
I like that one.
That's a hollow.
Oh, that's a sweet one.
That's another hollow.
Wow, so it looked like...
That's a good one.
Got that one.
That's a hollow. That's a hollow. That's a hollow.
Man. This is really cool.
I think that's all. That's not a hollow.
Yeah, this Teebeegames, he's really a nice guy.
That's a hollow.
It's a hollow.
That's not.
Yeah. But I know he did a video, and so I commented on it, and it got 25 comments, and he said that I won these. I won these cards. But let's see what will. Alright. I'm sorry, people. I don't know nothing about Pokemon, so. But this looks a really nice card here.
Nah, it's okay.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's see what else we got here. No, leave that there, baby. That looks like a good card.
This. That's a hollow.
Okay.
He hooked you up with those energies.
Yeah, whatever those things are. Okay.
I know what they are. They're hollow.
There we go.
Hollow. Nothing. Just a Pokemon.
Oh. Look at all these cards he hooked us up with.
Now that is a very good card.
Yeah, let's see what kind of card this is here. Alrighty.
It's probably very rare.
Oh, there's a couple. There's two of them in here. Yeah, that Dragon Knight.
Dragon Knight.
Ooh, and this scissored one. Oh, that's a neat card. Well, I want to say thank you very much for Teebeegames for sending these cards, and I really do appreciate it. And if you need anything TV cards, you know how to get a hold of me, and we will take care of it. And thank you so much, and everybody have a nice day.